Camera? I would 100% say you should come to Accelerate.
You're gonna meet amazing practitioners. You're gonna take away clinical pearls like no other. You're gonna walk away feeling empowered to build your clinic and empower your staff.
When you're working with the inventors of the IPL, you know you're just working with a company that's at a different level, that is constantly reinvesting in more research and development.
I wanted to be different from all the other practices. I wanted to give my patients the best in technology because that's what we provide at our office, what our patients know us for.
The best part are the conversations on the side. You can't get those at a webinar. You have to be on site. You have to have those interactions so that you can just get that glimpse, that pearl that you take back.
I am so thrilled that we're going to be helping patients look better, see better, feel better. We're really excited.
Attending an Accelerate made me think outside the box. It made me believe in my skills and that I could hone in on a market that is growing.
I've already started thinking about my next event with Lumenis because I have learned so much. I'm ready for the next one.